Well, it won't start. I figured maybe I put a little more gas in it. Maybe the level wasn't high enough and it wasn't feeding down into the carburetor good enough. So I tried putting more gas in it. I moved it to a more level surface here on the walkway. And look what I did. I'll tell you, if I so much as look at a piece of plastic, it'll break. So when that happened, of course, I spilt gas all down the front of the machine and stuff. And I'm not going to try to start it when it's all covered in gasoline and you can smell the fumes coming off it and stuff. It's not safe to try to start it that way. So I'm going to let this gasoline evaporate a bit. I'll probably go get some towels and some paper towels and wipe it down. And then I'll let it evaporate a bit, whatever's left. And then I'll try it again. There's more gas in there now anyway, so there's a lot of dirt in that basket though. I don't like that. Must be dirt from the can. But still, old gas can must have dirt in it or something. I don't know. Anyway, I can't really tell. I can't see anything, but yeah, anyway, I broke that. So far all I've succeeded in doing is breaking something. Like I say, I don't know what it is about me and plastic, but anytime I do anything with anything made out of plastic, stuff like this happens. I once cut my hands up really bad trying to get ice out of a plastic ice cube tray. The thing actually shattered in my hand. I twisted it a bit to make the cubes pop out, and it shattered in my hand and cut my fingers up really bad. So, I mean, anyway, I guess this is a similar situation. I'll wipe all this down, and I'll wait for the fumes to dissipate a bit from the area, and then I'll try it again. Yeah, and I'll move this open gas can away from here, too. I don't like open gas cans around when I'm starting a motor. We'll put it over here. Yeah. Anyway, that's what's going on. Talk later.